Well, you know your perfect squares. 1 squared equals 1. 2 squared equals 4. 3 squared equals 9. 4 squared equals 16. And 5 squared equals 25. You can go higher than that. 6 squared is 36. You know your perfect squares. But here's the pattern to let you calculate the squares of the half integers. The half integer between 1 and 2 is 1.5. And 1.5 squared is, add 1 and 1 together, which is 2, and slap on a 0.25. 2.5 squared is, add 4 and 2 together, which is a 6, slap on a 0.25. 3.5 squared. And if you see this pattern, you may find this useful. 9 plus 3 is 12. Slap on a 0.25. 16 plus 4 is 20. Slap on a 0.25. That would be 4.5 squared. Now you have not only the integers, but the half integers are squared. I want to point out another pattern for you for the squares. And that is when we're jumping from perfect square to perfect square. So I'm going to write down 1. Since this is 1 squared, I'll write 1. Then I'll increase that by 1 to 2. 1 plus 2 is 4. Now to get to the next perfect square from 4, we'll start with 2. Increase it by 1 and add a 3. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9. Now for this pattern here, we want to go 3 plus 4, that's 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. It works. 4 plus 5 is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Now we can go higher. 5 plus 6 is 11. 25 plus 11 is 36. So 6 squared equals 36. But while we're there, 25 plus 5 is 30. Slap on the 0.25 and you see you can start building log tables using these patterns. Have fun with your squares of integers and half integers.